I've been sent a product by a company called Gokinge that I think is going to be of interest to some of my viewers. And I know for one thing for sure, the reason why I've accepted to do the review is because it is certainly of interest to me. What is it? Right, you're going to say this one is a little bit weird. Couple of things going on while I'm doing this review. At the moment, our campsite hasn't got any electric, any power. So I'm going to just demonstrate on how portable and low usage on the electric this is, because I'm going to power it by a power bank shortly. So this is a small portable electric heater. And if you want more information, there are details in the description down there below. Do go and check it out with the pricing and how you can buy. And the model number is the XY612. And it is pretty nifty. So this is the box that it comes in. And inside the box, we have a remote control. So it can be done by the remote control. So you got an on and off button. You can get it to spin round, what they call the gear. You've got the time, the heat, the timer, and it does swing round and oscillate. And there are also some fairly basic instructions that come in the box. This is super lightweight and super compact. So some of you will know that we've just moved into a new property, a new house. And if we wanted an area, because we don't understand how the heating works, and we want something that is very small, a little handle on the back, compact, just to warm up an area, this could be ideal. Likewise inside my caravan, so I live in a caravan for currently 9 months of the year. So as you can see, it's quite compact in size. It's pretty silent. It's got a 1 to 7 hour timer on it, so you can just get it to run for an hour and then flip off. So you could set it for going to bed to flip off after a couple of hours if you wanted to. There are a number of protection factors on here for an overheat, and if it falls over, it will trip out. This gives a maximum output of 1200 watts. It also has a cool air 10 watts and also 650 watts, sorry. And as I say, you can control it via a remote control, or these are lovely. It's got like these touch sensitive buttons along the top. So basically you've got your on and off button, you've got your heat, your oscillator, and your timer on here. A little handle at the back, and you've got just a vent here with the fans. Now, as I say, I am going to plug this into a power bank, so some of the noise that you're likely to hear will actually be coming from the power bank rather than the actual unit itself. So let me try and show you what's going on, just so I'm not cheating or anything. So this is a power bank that I'm going to be using today, and I'll try and run through what's going on here along the top. And as I say, you may hear some noise, but the noise you're going to hear is going to be mainly coming from the power bank. So first of all, what have we got? So as I say, remember, it can all be done via the remote control. I'm just going to do it via the touch buttons on here, but you have got the remote control. Right. So as I say, it has got the cutout, so this needs to be upright, and we are currently plugged into a power bank. So it's got a touch button for the power here. So there's a fan going. Second speed. And you got the third heat as well. So you've got hot air, 650 watts of heat, and your full heat here. This one here will start the oscillating, so it will move around to put the air out. The noise you can hear is actually coming from this power bank, so this is virtually silent, and as you can see, so we'll just turn that off there. Then you've got your timer controls here to turn it off. So it sort of adds up, so you can see 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 4 plus 1 is 5 hours, 4 plus 2 6 hours, 4 plus 2 plus 1 7 hours. And this is giving out, you can't quite get how much heat this is actually giving out for such a small unit. And I'm just going to turn it off for the moment for safety reasons. And on the power bank here, it's just to give you some idea of what the usage is at the moment. But the unit itself is pretty quiet, so very easy to operate, very simple. I'm just going to turn it off because it's got the protector on it. Let me unplug it. Safety first. How about that if you're looking for a small heater to take away with you? So this would be ideal again if you were camping and you just wanted a small heater just to warm things up in a little motorhome, a camper van, canal boat. Even if you're in a truck or something like that, you could use this. And even potentially, like I've advised in the past with these power banks you get nowadays, if you carry one of those in your vehicle and you had one of these, if you got stranded one night in some pretty miserable, cold, snowy weather, this could keep you warm. And on top of that, always fantastic is the little remote control. So it's yeah, what more can I say? It's lovely. Go inch XY612 box or unit on its own with remote control at an incredible price. I'm not going to say what the price is because prices on marketplaces and Amazon do alter, but go and check out the links down there below. You'll be surprised. And this is going to be used a lot, I'm pretty sure, in the new place that we're going to be, especially if I end up in my man cave. Thanks for watching.